Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift Audio. First, ensure you have all your components ready, including the Swift Audio device itself. Check for the appropriate cables, such as a USB-C to USB-A or a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, depending on your setup. Make sure your audio source, like a computer or smartphone, is also prepared and powered on. This preparation is key for a smooth setup process. Now, let's make the physical connections. Plug the power adapter into your Swift Audio device, then into a wall outlet, ensuring it powers on. Next, take the included USB-C cable and connect one end to the Swift Audio and the other end to an available USB-A port on your computer. If you are using an analog connection, firmly insert the 3.5mm auxiliary cable into the dedicated ports on both devices. A secure connection is vital for clear audio transmission. After physically connecting the device, it's time for software setup. Open your web browser and go to the official Swift Audio support website. Locate and download the most recent drivers specifically designed for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer program, carefully following each step presented on your screen. After the installation is complete, a computer restart is strongly recommended to ensure all new drivers are properly loaded and functional. With the drivers installed, let's configure and test. Go to your computer's sound settings or control panel. From the list of available output devices, choose Swift Audio as your primary audio output. Set the master volume to a comfortable level, perhaps around 50%, to avoid sudden loud sounds. Now, play a short audio file or a song from your preferred application. Listen carefully to confirm that sound is clearly coming through your newly connected Swift Audio device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.